Hello, everyone. Today I'll be talking a few minutes about the project in Texas, United States, Business Information System. This is an honors module for 5 credits in Texas and for 5 credits in Amsterdam. Those two parts are combined together. So when students come to Amsterdam, our honor students will be doing projects in Amsterdam in the end of June and beginning of July. They will be traveling to Texas, Fort Worth or Dallas. They're connected with each other and doing the project there. So 10 credits to be there to gain. I will help myself using the PowerPoint to answer your questions about this module. So as you can see, there is a collaboration between University of Applied Sciences in Amsterdam, School of International Business, and Neeley School of Business at the Texas Christian University. So our students and American students will be working together. The course will be offered in collaboration, and the teachers of the course at the moment is Beata Jones from TCU, and Kelly Slaughter from TCU, and Sijan Wong helping out from the University of Applied Sciences in Amsterdam. Just to show you a picture, Beata Jones and Kelly Slaughter, professors from TCU. It is about collaborative practice. So, and actually students from AMSIP and bedrijfskunde are very much interested in this module because it's kind of follow-up on the subject they had already in the first and second year at their university related to the business information systems. Those who would like to apply the knowledge in practice from the IT courses, IT literacy related to Business Information System, Management Information System, social media, digital commerce, and social media, how to use both of them, transformation, strategy, and application in IT, cloud, IoT, blockchain, business analytics, enterprise systems, CRM, and ERP, and data management, just to name some which we're going to explore during the projects in Amsterdam. So you'll be doing some reading, and going to the company to look how do they deal with IT and business information systems. These are the course goals. So it's about the managerial competence and business information system and the technical literacy. So we know that the students who are a little bit more technical like this IT applications, and they will be more inclined to enroll for this course. But for those who would like to know more about it, because I think the business information systems you cannot avoid them nowadays, and you have to know how to interpret, be able to interpret data, then please, you're also welcome to join the course. The motivation is the most important, that you want to learn something from it. Not repeat what you've done already during the course, but learn. Learn to information about information technology and use therefore hands-on activities. Yeah, well, collaborating with each other, with students from foreign countries, means that you will be exposed to differences in culture, background, and point of view, way of working. So it will be nice for you to explore already, experience how it is to work with foreign nations. So, and you'll be discussing this together. We shall make, before we go to visit, in the first part in June, the end of June, there will be welcoming American students here in Amsterdam, preparing company visit. Teachers will help out with organizing those visits. You'll be doing the projects there, after the reading, you know what to look at the company, and make some videos answering those questions posed by the teachers. And in Fort Worth, we are going to also go to the company's visit and do the projects abroad. So maybe compare the situation in the Netherlands and the United States, and what I can learn from each other, trying to solve the problems of the companies. After the return, you'll write the reflection assignments based on the journaling, international aspects, of course, and intercultural aspects from the trip. So projects, hand-on activities, but requirements. This is from the course syllabus. Videos, tech talks, tech-free exercises you're going to do. You're going to make the personal side. Course participation is very important, so you have to be there doing the projects, writing reports, doing presentation, and make this time the collaboration side. So not individual, personal side, but collaborative side. Working together with Americans. Groups will be mixed. Yeah, this is from the course's description. So we're going to do the tinkering workshops on labs. Teacher will give you each time something to read, article to read, to understand the tool, IT tool, which you have to analyze and in the company. So writing center in the United States, when we go there, they will tell you how to write a report. And yeah, basically everything is IT and business systems. So those who would like to do that, please enroll. Finances, important. First part in Amsterdam, of course, well, you're going to go with the students probably out, or some will do some cultural events and perhaps museum. This is up to you and American students to decide. What would you like to do with them? And accommodation for when we travel to the United States, and the plan is that you are staying at the dorms at the Texas Christian University, and you get the full meal plan. That would mean that for accommodation and the food is 750 euros, but you don't have to spend any money on food. It's really extensive catering, and you won't be hungry anymore, only for something for yourself you want to spend there. Airplane tickets around 800 euros. Well, we don't know how the situation will be with Corona next year, but this is an estimation. It's quite pricey, we would say, but what you're getting from it is the experience of studying at the Neeley Business School, which is very important school in the United States. So you can put it on your CV. You are getting being taught by the doctors from university there, which are the specialists in IT and in business information systems. So I think it's worth it, thinking that it's for the 2 parts for 10 credits for honors. The times, last week of June and beginning of July in Texas. This is the plan for next year, 2021. Pre-departure meetings we're going to have in the second semester, but you are enrolling already now. So we can make a selection of students and explain exactly what is expected from you, so you know what you are up to. And we can help out with any issues regarding the travel, the visa for those who have to arrange visa. For Dutch students, we will the ESTA, will do. But those things we'll all explain in these meetings, pre-departure meetings in March, April, and May. And all of you at the end of the course will receive the certificate. So 10 credits, part in Amsterdam, part in the United States, and a wonderful experience and something to put on your CV. So that will be for now. If you have any questions about it, please read the syllabus, which is online, or send an email to me, and I will answer in a timely manner. So thank you very much. I will stop sharing and look in the chat. There's no questions for me in the chat. So, well, I would like to thank you for now and hope to see you in September when we can have a intake selection and think whether this module is yeah, relevant for you. So thank you. Bye-bye.